The lights are up. Bag of ingredients. You know what that means?
What?
Do you want to tell the internet what that means?
It's time for Cooking with Bo.
What is going on with your hair? You look like Jimmy Neutron.
I'm using your product. No?
I lost respect for you.
Okay, well.
If you can't use my product, at least use it right.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, boy. I think I've messed up here.
Everyone that clicked on this to see a Herping video is like, dang it!
Until work surface and pinch preparations together to create a single sheet of dough. Spread half the cream cheese over the dough sheet, leaving half-inch margin.
I'm showing the internet something.
Oh.
See, you think that in his cooking videos he's this chef. Usually it's actually Google. So you should probably. I'm just kidding. All right. Well, it is windy as all get out. Let me tell you what. I got till about 7 before this rain kicks in. It's about 2 right now, so I figured that gives us plenty of time to see what we can find. Alright, we are here. And we'll go ahead and apologize in advance for the wind possibly being back. It's pretty windy. Let's see what we can find. I'm excited. So it's looking, guys, I might have a little special guest. Apparently, one of my subscribers is actually here at the Nature Center. And I guess I'm probably gonna meet up with him, and he knows this area way better than I do. He knows where all the snakes are, all the spots where there's really good chances to find like ringnecks and stuff like that, I'm assuming. And yeah, so that greatly ups our chances of finding stuff rather than me being an idiot running around here like I know what I'm doing. Well, this is what are we gonna find?
I just found a couple eastern newts down there at the Lotus Pond. A pretty good place to go look.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah, I know these guys are antsy. They're tired of seeing little salamanders. They're like, when are you gonna find something that could kill you? I'm working on it. I'm working on it, okay?
They can kill you if you eat them.
That's true. I'm not gonna do that. I know you guys wouldn't put it past me though. Yeah.
Okay. Really? Okay, that's surprising.
It's good to know that I'm not the only one that flips with stuff and there's nothing under it. Everybody watching's like Jordan flipping stuff, not finding anything. Sounds about right. You tell me you found, what, about every single species of snake there is to find out here except for copperheads?
Yeah, which is kind of surprising. Finding a timber before a copperhead.
And timber, did you hear that? It could happen. Secret pond.
Look along the sides, there's usually a couple chorus frogs.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, there's one.
There's one right there.
Looks like it was under the rocks.
Right there. There it is. Nice. And my camera won't. What is it with me and cameras that won't focus? Yes. Hang on, buddy. Don't jump in yet. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. No chorus frog. Actually, I think it's a lifer chorus frog for me.
Huh?
It's a lifer. Maybe something found himself a salamander.
Oh, there's another frog. Oh, he's way dead.
That's what you call a rare dead frog species. It's hard to tell.
Oh, eggs.
Oh yeah. Ton of eggs. Now you think those are salamander eggs, or are they gonna be?
I mean, they're pretty big to be frog eggs. No
True.
way. There's also a ton on that side too. I don't think there's any snapping turtles in here.
We'll find out. It's cold.
Should have felt it in December.
Yeah.
Actually, wintertime's the best time I find these things.
More eggs. Oh, they already hatched out.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. Well, we just flipped this rock.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah. And got a nice little 5-line skink.
Come on, but
Yeah.
Yep.
They are bitey little guys. Oh, and jumpy. And jumpy.
Get off of me.
Now.
Oh. And he's gone.
Oh, yep, he's on. Well,
Hey.
short little cameo.
First reptile.
Right, we didn't get skunked. That's good. Actually, a second reptile. We got the chorus frog.
Oh, those are amphibians.
Oh, yeah, it's true. That was a test. You passed. Good job. People are like, why do people want to see this guy herp? He doesn't even know the difference between reptiles and amphibians.
There's a little pond.
That's your all's fault. Oh, wow.
We found a nest.
We found a big old spotted salamander.
And he's got a nest in there with some eggs.
He's got a nest in there with some eggs.
That
Look at
is
those eggs.
awesome. Here, let's put this down for a second.
All right.
Oh. Ah.
Okay.
Dude,
That is
awesome.
the biggest spotted I think I've...
That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
He's just chilling. Really dried out too.
And he's right next to a water source. He'll be fine.
Yeah, he'll be fine. That's crazy. Hey!
Dude, that's so big.
Hey, cutie!
That is awesome, man.
That is crazy.
Ready to put him back? Or you want a picture of him?
Oh yeah, I never take pictures of these guys. I gotta get better at that.
Oh, he's getting slimier.
There you go. Sweet.
Nice find, man.
Nice. Apparently this is the Newt Pond. There are tons of newts here. Well, I'm seeing them, man. They're moving around.
Got him.
Nice.
Got him.
Nice. Can he go for 3?
Oh. Got him.
Nice. I love these little guys. We would always go, me and my brothers would always go and find these in our little pond out in the back. What? You're done. You had too much coffee this morning.
These guys are actually really poisonous, though.
Oh yeah, if you eat them,
You're dead if you eat them.
yeah.
Yeah, there were a ton of these guys mating in here the other day.
Nice.
But yeah, these guys are bright orange when they first hatch out. It's really beautiful to see them like that, but like this is still pretty cool because they still have little red spots on them. And it
Now,
looks like we
what
got,
stage is this thing?
I think this is full grown.
Full grown? Okay.
Yeah. And these are definitely males.
How can you tell that difference?
They got a bulge.
Oh, yep. There you go. If you got balls, you're a dude. I didn't realize that went for salamanders too.
Yep.
Just that simple. And by the way, Bo, he did mean to say poisonous, not venomous. Just so you know.
There's like 5 of them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
There's one. There's another one.
Another one.
There's another one. These guys are everywhere.
Ah, dang. Missed him.
You guys see anything? Let me know in the comments.
Oh, that's a good one.
Big boy?
Yep.
Nice, that is a big one. Heck yeah.
These guys can actually regrow their limbs if they lose them. Oh, he's got a lot of spots.
And that's just not tail, that's hands. I mean, obviously not head.
Actually, part of their head.
Really?
Yeah. Like if they lose an eye, they can regrow it.
Wow.
It's pretty awesome. Here, let's watch them swim away. Tuck their legs and then swim with their tail like a crocodile.
Yep. That's awesome. Found a green frog. It went under here somewhere.
How do we lose something that big?
They're sneaky. Alright, I'm gonna stick you guys in this log. You tell me if you see anything.
Let me drop the camera. Oh, 2-line.
2-line?
Ah!
Dang it. Oh, there he is.
Oh, yeah. Got him.
Got him.
Where'd he go?
That's a leaf, Lucas. That's a leaf.
He was in my hand.
A little turtle there for you guys.
Would go after it, but I don't have my waders.
Yeah.
Or a kayak.
God. Kayak herping would be great. So we were wondering why the trail was closed. Turns out.
There's a pretty good reason why it's closed.
Yeah. but people have found a way around it. So hopefully it doesn't collapse, because
I'll test it out.
I'll document your death.
Okay. Plug my channel.
That's fine. I'll send all the proceeds to your family. You guys know, knowing my luck, it gives out. Oh! Yeah, that's
No, it's a little slick.
Huh?
Watch your footing, it's a little slick.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want to die. That would be slightly unfortunate. Oh!
I actually come out here in the summer and fly fish for bluegill and smallmouth. Pretty fun. Usually a little calmer when I come here.
Yeah, I was about to say, that pretty much sweep you away.
But right here, this is usually a really calm spot. They go up under the bank right here. And you can see where it goes up under there.
Yeah.
That's where the other nest is.
Oh, northern water snake den set for you guys. And then, good lord.
Pretty dangerous looking cliff face. I wouldn't be surprised if there were snakes in there though. Here, keep that camera there real quick.
Alright. Up here?
Yeah, I'm gonna jump in the cave.
Ah, sweet. We do have cave salamanders. Oh, beauties, where you at? No. Oh, you can actually get in the cave. If you fall in, you can't judge me if I laugh.
Oh, I wouldn't. It'd be pretty funny.
Oh, yeah.
Hello?
Any
No
snake?
echo.
Any snakes answer back? No.
Nope.
Nah. Well. On to the next thing. Oh, they have brown bats in here too. That'd be sweet to find. Oh, you didn't think that through, did you?
Nope.
Probably the same. I'm gonna say the same way you went back in.
That'll work.
Yeah, you should, because this route's kind of closed.
Ooh, that's slippery.
Yeah, don't fall.
I'll try not to.
It'd be great. Oh my gosh! And what do you say is here?
This used to be a marble quarry, but now it's just perfect place to herp.
God.